Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So if you're out filming, alright, sometime, and you're using some of these are 8 by 10 at least, styrofoam, maybe an inch, half an inch, squares. So a lot of you probably know what you can use these for, some of you maybe you don't. You can use these for reflectors, that is to keep sun on your subject and is off as much as possible, but more sun on for natural light or light that is not natural. These are great to use in outdoor settings like I'm in right now, or indoor settings. But the minute that you're finished with these, they're really bad to keep around. You don't want to keep these around. You want to throw them in the garbage. And I'll explain to you why. So the issue with these foam squares, these styrofoam squares, they're great for reflectors to do on the cheap, experimental or low budget reflector side, all right? But you don't want to keep them around. You want to go ahead and throw them in the garbage. The reason for that is they horribly collect ticks. And if you have pets, it's even worse. What happens is on the inside, right in here, in these grooves where the styrofoam is, ticks will get inside of there, breed and lay their eggs, okay? And then you're gonna find maybe 30 days later, a little bit less, a multitude of ticks all over these. So make sure you go ahead and throw them away. So with a styrofoam, this stuff, after you use it, as I said again, throw it away immediately is what you want to do. Because beyond ticks, what it can cause is vomiting, diarrhea, indigestion, constipation, damage to the liver and the internal organs, all right, including cancer to your house pets, is what this styrofoam is. Regular styrofoam is what we're talking about here, okay? So you want to use these for reflectors for your low budget films, experimental movies, that's just fine. So everybody, you know what I've said about to do with these things, right? You got it. Right in the can, right in the bag. And just get rid of those, tie the bag up, and they are gone, all right? And that is just the end of the entire story. You don't want any of those things negatively happening to your house pets at all. You know, it's just something definitely you want to stay away from. And remember everyone, for more videos like this one, do click that subscribe button. Until next time, later.